Cool. All right. First off, James, thank you for agreeing to meet with me. I'm Zach, and I'm with Sell House Columbus. We just closed on James's property yesterday. So, James, I just have a few questions. First off, what was your experience working with our company?
It was good. I'm gonna be honest. It wasn't like the greatest because at times it was confusing because when I was getting calls for people showing up and stuff, I was having people call me to schedule other showings and stuff like that. That made it a little confusing, but other than that, the whole process was smooth, easy, and fast.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. And did we do what we say we're going to go ahead and do?
Yes, you did.
All right, excellent. And last question, sir. Would you recommend our company, Sell House Columbus, to other homeowners out there who wants to sell their property quickly?
Yes, I would.
All right, thank you. And James, it's been a pleasure working with you, brother. And yep, again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you are looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. Thank you. Thank you, James.
Thank
And
you.
see you on the next video, sir. All right. Bye bye.
Yep, have a good one.
All right. Bye bye.